Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Workspace admin to enforce MFA policies step by step clearly. Log into your Google Workspace admin console at admin.google.com. Use your administrator credentials to access the dashboard. Once logged in, locate and click on the Security section from the menu on the left. In the Security section, find and select Authentication. Under Authentication, click on Two-Step Verification. Now, you will see the option for Allow users to turn on two-step verification. Ensure this option is turned on to enable MFA for all users. Next, select Enforce two-step verification to apply the policy across your organization. You will be prompted to set a grace period for users to enroll in MFA. Choose an appropriate grace period that suits your organizational needs. Click Save to apply the enforcement settings. Now, navigate back to the Users section from the left menu. Select the user or users you want to manage MFA settings for. You can manually enforce MFA for specific users by clicking on their name. In the user's profile, find the Security section and select Two-Step Verification. Select Enforce to require that user to enroll in MFA. Notify your users about the upcoming changes in MFA requirements. Provide them with resources on how to set up their two-step verification. Ensure ongoing support for users who may have questions or issues during the enrollment process. Your Google Workspace admin is now configured to enforce MFA policies successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.